Hello and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely and I am happy you are here with me today. Today, we are talking about something very powerful. It is simple but very strong. We are talking about the words we use every day. Our topic is the power of words and how we can choose to speak with kindness. Words are truly powerful tools. They are the way we connect with the world. Think about this. Words can build a good connection with a friend. Words can also break a connection. When someone says something kind to you, how do you feel? You feel warm, maybe happy, maybe strong. Good words are like sunshine on a difficult day. They make things easier. When someone says, "I believe in you," your whole body feels stronger. That is the power of words. They touch us deep inside. But words can also hurt. If someone shouts or uses angry words, how does your heart feel? It feels heavy. It feels sad. Maybe you feel tired. We all know this feeling. So words are never just small sounds. They carry feelings and they carry energy. We use English to communicate, but the message is more important than the grammar. The message should be kind. Speaking English well is not only about knowing a lot of difficult verbs. It is about using simple words in a very good way. It is about choosing to speak with kindness. This is a beautiful choice we get to make every single day. Before we open our mouths, we can pause, we can take a breath, and we can decide, will I use a word that brings light or a word that brings shadow? We must choose light. The language of kindness is universal. Every person in every country understands a friendly smile, and every person understands simple words of encouragement. What does it mean to speak with kindness in our beginner English? It means using phrases like, "Thank you." This simple phrase changes everything. When someone helps you, even with the very small thing, we say, "Thank you." We recognize the kindness of others. It also means using phrases like, "Please," or "Could you help me?" When we ask for help, we are using gentle words. This shows respect. It is useful English and it is kind English. Sometimes we make a mistake. We say the wrong thing. Kindness also means we can say, "I am sorry." Saying "I am sorry" is a strong act. It shows that you value the person more than your pride. These are easy, useful phrases, and they make a big positive impact. To speak with kindness is also to listen with kindness. When you are listening to a friend, listen completely. Give the other person time to find their words. Do not rush them. Listen to understand, not just to answer. This is a very generous form of kindness. When you feel patient and you feel calm, it is easier to find the kind words in your heart. When you learn new English words, remember to use them for good things. Use your growing English vocabulary to lift people up. Sometimes you may feel tired or frustrated, maybe because learning English is difficult sometimes. But even when learning feels hard, try to use kind words for yourself too. Be your own friendly voice. Say to yourself, "I am trying my best. That is enough." Your words are strong. Use them carefully. Use them gently. Remember the main idea of today. When we speak, we have the power to help people feel good. We have the power to make the world a little bit warmer. So, practice your English this week and remember to practice one more important skill. Speak with kindness. Thank you for spending this time with me today on English Podcast for Beginners. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep smiling. We will talk again soon. Bye for now.